Look at my elevator panel. Look at it. See? This looks like a real elevator. Oh, there's no alarm. Got door open. No door closed. Got basement. Alarm. Phone. Original stop switch. And watch what the stop switch does. Oh, wait. And you also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pH. And you got your other stuff up here. But there's something special about the stop switch. Watch. See when you push in the stop switch? Look up here. That's right. That's right. This thing is functional. And there's a change with the buttons. They all light up. 1, 2, wait, 2. Wait, I'm gonna start over. Basement, door open, lights up 2. 1, 2, and 2 kind of sticks. So I'm gonna try to get the stick. And it doesn't want to stick right now. 3, 4, 5, BH. And look at this. Even the alarm works. And see, when you pull it back out. Wait, no. And see, the indicator works. The pH. Good car H. And the emergency lights up too. Call cancel. Fire service. Fan light switch. Independent service. I'm not sure what that switch is. And when you pull it back out, pull the stop switch back out, it turns off. See? Pretty cool. Let's get a close up. Let's do it in the dark. Let's do it in the dark now. It looks really cool in the dark. See? Looks cool in the dark. See? Boom. Makes that noise when you turn it off. Okay, let's turn the lights back on. And no. Party, Caleb. It is the end. No, it's the end of our elevator video. Goodbye.